Okay, here I am with two gentlemen we've met already. That time was in the Glen of Amal at the mission readiness exercise. The weather is an awful lot different here today in South Lebanon. Can you just tell me just your names and your ranks, please, lads?
Okay, Patrick Enfield, and I'm the Battalion Sergeant Major.
3-star Private Adam Enfield.
Now, the critical part of this whole story is that you're father and son. So can you just tell me about what it's been like to serve here in South Lebanon together?
Well, for me personally, it's been a great honour that my son would take the opportunity to become a member of the Irish Defence Forces, and then obviously then to serve overseas. This is a great honour for me. I'm very humbled about the whole thing.
Very good. And just yourself, I mean, you're serving with your dad. It's not without its challenges, I'd imagine, but it's a bit of an honour, isn't it, really, to be here together in this environment here in South Lebanon?
Oh, it would be an honour, surely. Yeah, not many people would get to say they have the same opportunity to do something like this.
Paddy, you've been on a good few trips. Can you just tell me about the difference, maybe, of this trip to previous trips, if there was any?
Yeah, look, Lebanon, as you know, there's been troubles in Lebanon for a good lot of years now, and I suppose my first trip out here would have been in 1992, and that's 32 years ago, so 33 years ago now. So Lebanon has and UNIFIL has seen quite a lot of changes during that period of time. Obviously, I've done 11 trips over here, so I would have seen it when it was at its worst, when it was reasonably stable, to coming back out here again while some of the stuff has been going on, some of the actions have been going on here. It's great to see that the place is starting to stabilise again, and it's great to see that the LAF are coming into the area again.